Good morning, guys. I'm Laura Madden. This is ReFashioned Art. Want to give you an update. Today is day number 2 of the Camelback Studio Art Tour, and I am super psyched. I'm also super tired, but I'm so fired up. Yesterday was amazing. We had a really great turnout. Happy to report. This is my first year on the tour, exhibiting as an artist, and so, there was just a lot of uncertainty and just a lot of unknowns. So I'm really, really happy to say I have day 1 under my belt and it went really well. A lot of pieces sold. So of course my heart is just so full to know that someone is able to create more luxury at home with a little more art on their walls, and it's so important to me to get as much style and art and beauty into as many people's homes and lives as I can. So I feel like my mission is accomplished as of yesterday at least. What else can I tell you, friends? Thank you, Arizona friends, for stopping by. I hope you will come by today. Today is Sunday, 11/14, and we are here from 10 to 4. So if you're in Arizona, I'm studio number 8. And we've got so much to see. I'm going to give you a little sneak peek here. All right, so mid-century mod. We've got some other wonderful, gorgeous pieces over here. There's ReFashioned. Let's see. We've got Modern Tides. We've got Flow. Back here, we've got Trailblazer 3. There's Jungle Love. This one here is Stefano. There's the World's Joining series. What else can I show you over here? Ooh, here we've got Fashion 2, and there we've got Mixed Signals. So you can see Mixed Signals. Mixed Signals is huge. And then here we've got Believe. This is Mini Magic. This one here is Milano, Behind Bars, Zara, Trust Life. One of the only pieces that is not for sale, but hey, if you come live, then you can enter to win my giveaway fine art print right here of the original right there. Just scanning that QR code and you are in. And then here we've got Mixed Signals. That's a great one, 22 by 60 inches. Here's the Replay series. My little postcards. And then over here, so I had to refresh this hallway because all of the art that was here sold. This one here is Side Swiper. These are huge. These are 30 by 46 inches. And this one here is Skyscraper. I love these. These are 2 of my newest pieces. Hey, Jossie, how are you? Hey, guys, thanks for joining. So just want to give you another quick preview over here. I'm going to keep this short and sweet because we are actually starting in just under 10 minutes. I'll be opening my doors. And let's see, mimosas are getting whipped up as I speak. So come over for some sips. I hope you'll come over and shop and, just have some fun. So just a few more I want to show you here. There's Reimagined. It's another huge one. Keep finding these tags all crooked. This is a wood panel, 36 inches by 48 inches. How fabulous. It's wired to hang exactly as you see it. Another great big one, 30 inches by 60 inches. This one is called Window of Opportunity. And then here, this is one of 2. This one is called Flow. There is an ebb. And then here we've got Gold Rush. This is the original Gold Rush. Another one of the few pieces that's actually not for sale. There's Gold Rush 3. Back there, we have Beloved. That one is for sale. Great big wood panel. Oh, one of my favorites. Surprise, this is still here. Too Faced. And then here we've got Autumn. Sure, this one's going to sell. A few people are coming back to look at it again today. These fabulous vintage antique frames. I love that mix of old and new. And then I have a little 50% off area. These unframed canvases, some of these I have had for quite some time, and I'm just going to give you a little sneak peek. This is Zenobia. She is for sale. One of the few other pieces that is not for sale. This is Presence 1, and this it's just one of my favorite pieces. And then we've got there's Lady Liberté. She is for sale. We've got a whole sampling over here, you guys. A whole fabulous sampling, devilishly stylish. Another ReFashioned resculpt. Another ReFashioned resculpt. Love this so much. Look at the depth. Super thick canvas, 6 inches depth. Play all day. Bijou Rouge, another huge one, and another cricket tag. Bijou Rouge. And that's 40.5 by 50 inches. This one, guys, one of my favorites. It'll be hard to let this one go. Some real significant texture on there. It's one of my favorite things. And then we've got Exhale, another huge one, 48 inches by 48 inches. I mean, there's literally art everywhere. We've got design, fashion design by Ruby Farias, one of my good friends and a local designer here in Arizona. Gold mine. I mean, literally art everywhere. I can't even make this up. So if you're in Arizona, guys, I hope you'll come by. Again, 10 to 4, super casual. Stop in anytime. Again, we've got the mimosas going. We've got art. We've got fashion. And, oh, no rescue dogs today. They decided they didn't want to work, so they went to camp. You won't see the rescue dogs. But they weren't here yesterday either, but they did make an appearance back in time for the after party, the unplanned after party, but they were there. And if you were here, you know what I'm talking about. All right, guys, thank you, Josie. I'm sure it's going to be amazing. The weather is so great. It's bright and sunny. Again, guys, check out at Camelback Studio Tour here on Instagram or camelbackstudiotour.com. If you'd like details, again, I'm Studio 8. And I will be here 10 to 4, so I hope you will come. Oh, and today we're doing 20% off everything. 20% off. So guys, come on down if you are if you're in the market for some fabulous, fashionable, modern art, then this is the place for you. All right, guys.